Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Tanu Ganesh and you're watching my bin. Today I'll tell you about a software which is free in full version, no watermark, lets you make videos above 5 minutes. Its UI is extremely simple and it has all the required features that you will need to create a YouTube video. So let's see which software is it.
The software I'm referring to is Filmforth. I have a version 1.1.9 available on my laptop. So this is the home page. You can see the existing projects completed by me here. For a new project, I'll click here. I will name the project, let's say, as test 1 2 3 4. I will click on create, and this is the first page. To add a video clip, I will click on the plus sign, and from here I'll pick up a video. As soon as the video clip is added, it activates the 5 major features it offers. The first feature is edit. It lets me edit the video clip in terms of I can split, I can speed, I can change the speed, fast forward, or probably make it a slow motion. I can trim, I can adjust the volume. Right now you see it as 100%. Using this tab I can decrease the volume if required. I can detach the audio from the clip. I can duplicate my clip, I can delete it, I can freeze a selected frame from the clip, I can rotate it, flip it, and also add some appearance effects to my clip. The second major feature it offers is audio. It lets me add some background music to my video. Right now it has a very small list, which is just 5 options available. If you want to explore, you can go to an external source to pick up the background music. For now I'll just pick one from here. So the length of the audio is equal to my video clip. If I want to change, let's say, the start point of my audio clip, I don't want it to start exactly at the same point as my video, I will bring the cursor to the required point and set the start button. Just make sure that the audio box is selected. Sorry, I clicked at the wrong button. So I was just setting up the start point, so it has changed the start point. I can also do a voiceover. Let's say it was just a screen recording that I did and I'm required to add an audio, so I can do a voiceover using this option. It lets me split my audio file. I can trim it. Again, I can change the speed of my audio file. Volume is something I would not want the background music to be 100%, because then it will overtake my volume. I will either bring it to a 5% or a 10%. You can do it as required. So now it shows 5%. See here. So set start point I have already shown. You can duplicate your file, your audio file, or delete it. The third option it gives is to add the text. So whichever point of the slide or clip I want to add a text on, I will click here. I will bring the cursor there. I will click on add text. I will write something. So the good part is that it lets me change the font. I have a variety of fonts. It lets me play with the size of the font. I can bold it, I can italicize it, I can also add color to my font. If my background is something that does not highlight, that does not let me highlight my text, so I will also want to color my text box so that the text is highlighted. So that's how you see. So wherever the text is added, if you want to edit it, you can use this button, edit text. Then you can split the text bar. You can change the start and the end point. Let's say I don't want the text to start from here. I'll make sure it's selected. I'll place my cursor to the required start point and click on set start. I want to change the end point. I will click here. I can duplicate my text box and I can delete. The fourth feature is picture in picture. Let's say in my video I'm talking about something and I want to add a visual effect. So let's say if it's a coconut that I'm talking about and I want to add a visual to it. So I will pick a picture and add it to my video. It lets me enlarge it. I can also reduce the size. I can place it wherever I want on the frame. I can split my picture. I can set a duration for which the picture should be displayed. Then I can play with the opacity, duplicate the picture, delete. I can pick up the start point wherein I would want the picture to start reflecting on in the video, flip it, and can also add some appearance effects to my picture. The final is adding effects to the video clip. It gives me 4 options. So if required, I can change the appearance effect. It lets me add it to all video clips, yes or no, so I can customize it accordingly. So right now I'll go with none, and that's it. In case my video is not done yet and there is another clip to be added, so I'll again go back to the plus sign, pick up a clip from here. So now when you have a second clip added, you see this sign, and this lets you play with the transition in between the slides, whether you want to keep it as none or you want to add a special effect, either left, right, up or down. So you can play it using this button. Now that my video is done, I will click on save video, and the good part is that it lets me choose a higher quality. So of course I will go with the higher quality, and I can name my video, let's say test 1 2 3 4. It does take a minute or so. So the quality of the video in terms of the audio and the video that you get using Filmforth is pretty decent. Just make sure whenever you are shooting the video you have enough light in the shooting space, so that will serve the purpose. And it is extremely good for beginners, as you have seen that the UI is extremely simple. So now my video has been saved, and I'll just quickly play a demo for you. So sorry, it is here in this folder. Okay, so it is test 1 2 3 4.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल में। मैं हूं तनु गणेश और आप देख रहे हैं माय बिन।
So that's all for today.
If you have liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Do share the video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for the latest notifications on my videos. Thank you for watching. I'm Tanu Ganesh signing off from my bin. Thank you.